Have you ever wondered how detectives solve complex cases or scientists prove theories? Welcome to the world of deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning starts with a general theory leading to specific conclusions. It's logical, precise, and essential. Consider this: all birds fly, a sparrow is a bird, hence, a sparrow flies. This is deductive reasoning in action. In mathematics, deductive reasoning proves theorems. From known axioms, we derive complex truths. But errors occur. A common mistake is assuming a false premise, which leads to incorrect conclusions. To avoid these pitfalls, critical thinking is key. Question premises and ensure they are true before proceeding. Let's apply deductive reasoning to everyday problems. Imagine deciding if you need an umbrella today. If it rains, streets get wet. The weather report predicts rain. Therefore, the streets will be wet today. In law, lawyers use deductive reasoning to prove their client's innocence based on established facts. Similarly, doctors diagnose illnesses by deducing from symptoms to diseases, applying medical knowledge. In science, hypotheses are tested through experimentation, deducing outcomes from observed data. What if our assumptions are wrong? Learning to identify and correct these is crucial in mastering deductive reasoning. Now, let's solve a puzzle together using what we've learned about deductive reasoning. By applying these principles, you can enhance your problem-solving skills in both personal and professional settings. Thank you for joining us on this journey through deductive reasoning. Keep questioning and keep deducing.